The delta of Nemunas, the Lithuania's largest river, is the prime spot for boat tourism, angling, and birdwatching in Lithuania. Nemunas Delta has extensive annually flooded plains, a major bird migration path, a beach full of seashells, and a fisherman village, where a river serves as a street. This village, known as Minge, is called the Venice of Lithuania. This place may be a far call from the real Italian city, but one thing they both share, is the importance of water passages. In Minge, the river Minia is the main street, and all the building facades face it. The time-battered fishermen's boats have been largely displaced by modern yachts, moored in Minge's anchorage, as Nemunas Delta is now a boat tourism mecca. West of Minge, we reach the Ventehorn Peninsula, famous for its bird-ringing, ornithology, station, with the world's largest bird trap. Established by naturalist Ivan Auskas in 1929, it is also among the world's oldest such institutions. The station is at a major bird migration route's convergence spot. During the migration season, as many as 3 million birds pass over it daily. Some 1,000 to 6,000 of them are ringed. 1863 Lighthouse, 11 meters tall, is located nearby. A pier leads from here into the Curonian Lagoon, offering views of the UNESCO World Heritage Curonian Spit Dunes at the other coast. A regular boat service connects both shores. The largest town in the Nemunas Delta is Rusne, located in an island right next to the Russian border. Every spring, as the snow melts, Rusne town is cut away from the rest of Lithuania, as Nemunas floods the surrounding plains. With car access being impossible, amphibious vehicles are used at that time. At the center of Rusne stands a medieval Lutheran church. It is rarely open. The entire Nemunas Delta is part of the unique Lithuania Minor area of Lithuania. Before World War II, more than 90% of Lithuania Minor inhabitants were Lutherans. Almost the entire population was either murdered or forced to flee by the advancing Soviet armies in 1944 in what became known as the Genocide of the Lithuania Minor. The Nemunas Delta was then repopulated by Lithuanians from elsewhere, destroying much of the local culture. The biggest town in the area is Šilutė, boasting some 20,000 inhabitants. This unique Lithuanian town with a partly German history, though, is further away from the shore, and it warrants a separate Lithuanian drone tour video. Subscribe to this channel, and you will be among the first to see it.